Hey guys, going to show you how to take out a drain plug on a filter the safest and best way possible. So first things first, always first things first. What you want to do, come to the panel. You got your filter pump breaker right here. Turn it off. Pump has to be off at all times. I'll show you the next step next. All right, and the next thing that you're gonna want to do, you're going to want to grab a pair of channel locks right here, right? You need a pair of channel locks. And you go over to the bottom of the filter. At the bottom, you see that black plug down there? We got to remove that. So I'm going to walk over here. Out of the way. You put it on there like so. We can be kind of tight sometimes, but essentially it's upside down, so it's going to be clockwise to remove and counterclockwise to tighten. But once you get started, it's really easy. Once you get it loose, you can undo it with your hand. Always tap it out and notice that is your drain plug. So once it's pouring out, you can open the top of the filter. It'll spill out really good. Wait until it's empty.
One eternity later.
That's how you remove the drain plug. All right, now we're going to put it back in. So you got to carefully climb over the pipes. Please don't break any of my pipes. And like I said in the previous step, it's clockwise to remove and counterclockwise to put in, because the plug is upside down. It's upside down threads, right? So the most important part about this is starting it with your hand. You do not want to cross thread this. So as long as you put it in correctly, you can get it pretty much all the way tight with your hand, right? It's gonna be like 5 to 8 turns that you'll get with your hand before it even tightens up. If it's less than that, then it's cross-threaded. Once you get it tight with your hand, you just snug it up. It doesn't need to be Hulk Hogan tight, but nice and snug. And that's how you put it back in. Once you have the drain plug back in, come over to the panel. Turn your filter pump breaker on. It's running its schedule. The filter pump will come on. You come back over here to the filter and you open it up. You open up the air bleed. Once the air bleed is spraying water, check the drain pump. Make sure there's no drips. If there's no drips, the valve is done.